So today was the big Topps NFT launch for the official Major League Baseball NFTs. If you look at just the numbers, it was a huge success for the company at Topps. They had about 3 million in instant revenue for the company. Plus, in the resale market, you can take a look at Crypto Slam here. They leapfrogged Top Shot by NBA Top Shot. They're the number 2 in resale revenue, which is great for the company because, hey, they get a royalty payment for lifetime on the resale. So it's a monster revenue generator for Topps and for investors in the SPAC because Topps is going public with the SPAC MUDS. So if you're in the MUDS investment, you're going to want to know about this. So great revenue with the launch of the initial launch of the baseball NFT, and then the lifetime royalties will be rolling in here for Topps. However, the demand was huge. 1,200 orders per second at certain points. What that will do to a website is crash it, which is what they saw here. Some people were ordering, and after entering their credit card, they would see this blank screen. I saw it, but then I refreshed. I was able to get my order in. But for some, they thought they were in. They thought they had their NFT order in, and then when they returned, they saw this sale ended, and they missed out. So on Twitter, on some social media accounts, you can see some people are upset with Topps, but the issue was, number one, they couldn't handle the enormous demand, so many people ordering at once. So some people thought they had orders, didn't. I'm sure they're going to see refunds if it wasn't already done already. I'm certain they will refund everybody, so nobody's getting ripped off. But some people were upset that they missed out on these packs because via their initial NFT launch for baseball, and they're already super popular, and the value has skyrocketed for these packs. Where this pack was $5, it's selling at 4 or 5 times that already on the marketplace, and these premium packs too have been selling for $350, and they cost $100 just 10 hours ago. So some people are upset, but for the company Topps, this is a great product launch for them. It's going to allow them to expand into more digital revenue, which was a very small percentage of the revenue that they generated the past few years. So they are going to really skyrocket in value, Topps, off of this NFT launch. So with the launch only 10 hours previous, the media coverage on it has been lacking. If you go to Google Topps NFT, click news, there's very little on it. There's a short article here, and then Real Money The Street has this here with this headline that I think is absolutely true. When people realize how quickly and easily the first drop sold out, they'll begin to see the MUDS, which is the SPAC for Topps, the upside potential here. But it looked, again, if you go to Google right now, it's very early. Nobody is really covering this, but that is going to change very fast. And the reason for that change is right here, the resale market, and number one, the drop of revenue that Topps generated in this initial NFT offering. And they've got a ton of licenses, and they're going to be doing more with baseball, so they'll have more of that revenue. But this right here, the resale market is very strong for the Topps NFT already. So what I expect to happen is you start Googling Topps NFT, you're going to see more coverage of what it means for Topps and the MUDS SPAC. What I want to show you next is going inside and opening the pack, as well as a quick look at the aftermarket here. So here are sales, individual sales at the highest priced items, and it's early. What we have is a single card here selling at $7,300, and that was from the promo package right there. But what we're seeing is the popular players selling individual cards at $4,000 in the thousands right now. And packs are also selling at a premium. They've got it right here. So you've got packs right here, the promo packs, which are free, selling at $5. But the standard packs that cost $5, they're selling at 28 bucks, so 5x right there. And these premium packs that were $100 selling at $266, $300, and $350 right now. And that's, again, 10 hours after the initial launch. So while I'm not going to open my packages, I'm keeping them all unopened at this point. I did find this video here from BitBoy Crypto, right? Popular guy. And him and his buddy here open up some packages right here. So the YouTube link, I'll have it right below this. You can check it out. Definitely watch it. But they look at them. They go through one of the packs here. Here it is right here. So they just opened one of the premium packs. Has about 50 cards in it. And you can scroll down, and they did get some really good ones in here. Definitely some good value on some of them. They have like the common cards, and then uncommon, rare, and some exclusive epic cards. Let me go to that real quick. Oh, here they are right here. Look at this one. This is a winner. So they got this, where is it? So rare. They're going to make nice money on those. You can see them in the aftermarket selling. These epic exclusive too. And the Guerrero right here, epic card. That's going to go for a very good price. So on their $100 package, they got some really great cards. Let me show you the breakdown. And here we are on the site. So these cards right here are going to sell for big money. So once you get this, you have the option to keep it unopened like I am at this time. I want to see what these packs are going for. Or you can open them up and really score with these epic, epic exclusive, legendary exclusive cards. Those guys did get a legendary, I believe, in a later pack that they opened, and they're going to be able to sell that for a lot of money whenever they put it on the marketplace. But definitely you want to watch this video right here if you're an investor in MUDS, or just want to check out how the Topps NFT works, how they open up a bunch of packs too. So check that out. And I'll put this link right below this video so you can just click on it and check it out. And real quick, I want to show you something really cool. This right here, you see this Week 1 Mini 1952 Redux pack? That wasn't part of the launch, but you can get it by trading cards, finding them on the marketplace, specific cards. If you got them in a pack, you can use them. Let me show you this. So you go to the toppsmlb.com site, right? You go over here and you just click craft right here. There we go. And here they are. So you have a recipe on what you need. So this one just sold for $157 right here. And what you need to do is have these 4 cards, right? Get these 4 cards, drop them in here, and they will hook you up with this right here, with this pack. So what it's going to do is encourage trading on the marketplace, right? So people are going to go here and try and find this card. Like I already found it. So you can just copy his name right here, copy that, go to the marketplace, search it, and try and find a deal on it and drop it in here, build that, and get this pack right here. And the idea, of course, is you can try to collect these at a lower cost than you could sell this for. So it's going to encourage, number one, buying and selling on the marketplace, which will be great for Topps and that lifetime royalty, right? But it'll also encourage people to come back to the site and interact and build the community. I love it. To close the video, I just want to talk about MUDS, which is the SPAC that is merging with Topps. A lot of people invested in the MUDS SPAC. I have a position in it as well. So I just wanted to review the exciting thing about that. When this merger took place, they weren't doing anything with NFT when they were negotiating. It was still early. And so what a lot of people are saying, including the people at Topps, Michael Eisner, and the management at the sponsor MUDS, is that you're basically getting the valuation of Topps with this merger without that NFT revenue boost. And it is without question going to be enormous. In the investor presentation, Topps explained that last year, their total revenue, only 6% of it came from digital sales. That's it. That has changed already. We're going to see an increase in revenue from these sources right here, and it starts with what we have seen already with the NFT launch, and that is a massive boost from digital sales. Topps will see that, no question about it. That is a done deal. The other avenues, real quick, new licenses with sports in Europe. They've got brand new licenses with soccer and Formula One over there. They want to get in that market. That's in the investor presentation. This one I really like too. Increase their e-commerce, and this is a layup for them. So instead of selling these box cards at Target for $20, $25, where they have a low margin on them, Topps has been working on more e-commerce sales, and it has really boosted their revenue in the past years and their profit margin, because when you sell at Target that box for 20, 25 bucks, Topps isn't getting the major portion of that sale. When they sell it on their website, that's all high revenue, high margin sales, and they can sell them for more. So I expect a big change with how they're selling their physical cards instead of at Target, at Walmart. They're going to do more of it on their own website, where they can definitely score more revenue, and then expand on the licensing deals with existing clients. I think they're going to do that with things like Disney, Marvel, where they're going to try and land them for NFT deals like they're doing with baseball. So I expect all of these things to happen and really boost the revenue for Topps, which will make our investment in MUDS, I'm in there too, really spectacular over the next several months and years. Before I finish the video, I want to, what we're looking at here is the investor presentation with MUDS and Topps. And here's the revenue right here. Here's a really interesting thing about this right here. Look at the year here, 2020, right here. And right here, that's digital, right there. Out of the 567 million in revenue, less than 6% of it was digital, only 31 million. Look at in 2021, they only have a boost to 41 million. They've already exceeded that with this latest NFT. The NFT that they just released today will generate more than $10 million in revenue just from that single NFT release. And they are going to do that over and over again. So for me, when I see this, the NFT angle was not factored into the evaluation because it was so new when they put this together. And right now, we just saw what the Topps NFT can do in terms of revenue for the company, and this number right here is going to explode. They have it 6% here, it might be 6 to 7% here. It's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40% of revenue from the digital space in the next 1 to 2 years. That's what I see. I see it exploding right now. They have the content. They have so many licenses they can build upon the enormous success of this first launch. They will do it. No question about it. And here's why I'm so convinced. The NFT, when it was released, they were talking about it. Mudrick was, Eisner at Topps. They were talking about NFTs and how Topps has been preparing for this change. And in this article right here, if I scroll down here, you'll see what Jason Mudrick said, the founder of Mudrick Capital. That's the SPAC that's sponsoring the merger to take Topps public. Right here. We really underwrote the investment just on the existing business, just on that existing revenue. They didn't take into account the NFTs. And that's what's so attractive about the opportunity, that you really get the upside of the NFTs for free. That was about 3 weeks ago when they announced the merger, and this was posted. They did the investor presentation, and this article came out a few weeks ago. You get the upside of the NFTs for free. And what did we see today? We saw that upside with a fantastic revenue generator in that initial NFT launch. But as they like to say, there's more. There's a lot more going on here at Topps. If you go to the Topps website, take a look. They boosted their e-commerce sales on the site through a bunch of different products like this. And I want to take you to a couple that I know they're going to use for NFTs. And one of them is right here. Like they're doing these moments, right? When there's a big play, like right here. Tyler Stevenson hit a game-winning homer, right? Guess what they did? They instantly did a limited edition run. Product is available only on these dates, one day only. And they did it on the big moment right here, right? They are going to do this with NFTs. They're going to have big moment NFTs throughout the year. And what that's going to do is just generate more revenue for them. People are going to want to see this. If this was my team, Tyler Stevenson had hit a home run, I'd probably be interested in buying this NFT, right? And making it mine. They're going to do it. They also have this classic content here. Like when I was a kid, I collected Topps baseball cards. Turn Back the Clock was a card that they had. This is going to be an NFT. They're going to use classic stuff like this for collectibles through NFTs. And if you go through the Topps site, you will see all types of high quality content that it's easy to picture how that will work for NFTs. They've got Muhammad Ali stuff on here, the soccer all over the world. This project right here with the classic cards, Eddie Murray from the 70s and 80s, things like that, Yogi Berra going back these years that Yankee fans, Orioles fans are going to want to buy through NFTs, and I'm certain that they're going to do it. They see what they have right here after day one. I know they're excited about that. They've been planning for this, and they're going to move into the direction of more digital through NFTs and more e-commerce sales, selling the physical boxes also through Topps.com. That's where I see it going. That's why I love Topps and the revenue it's going to generate. That the company's going to grow a ton, or I believe, over the next several years. And that's why I'm invested in the MUDS SPAC. As of today, 420, MUDS at $12.19 a share. You can check out one of my favorite sites, StockWits, and hit the MUD symbol. And there's a group of people here now. How strong is it? There's 3,400 investors in MUDS. Drop in information right here in the comments section, including some really good stuff on the royalty payments and what that will mean for earnings and revenue for the company. So there's a lot of good stuff on StockWits. So stop by there. But again, that's my feeling on the Topps NFT launch. Although there were some complaints about the order process for the company, it's a big winner. For investors in MUDS like me, I believe it's a huge winner. So I'm investing long in this. I'm excited about where it's going, not just the NFT, but digital and all the avenues that Topps can generate revenue. Below this video, I've got some cool links for you, including that video where they open a bunch of different packs. Check that out and stop by StockTwits right here. Just sign up. It's a free site, and then click the watch button right there, and you could watch the updates on MUDS right here. People talk about the warrants at MUDS and other things, about revenue and the exciting things happening with Topps. It's a great community right here for investors in MUDS and Topps. So thanks for watching the video. Links you can find below. And please, hey, if you like this, click the like button for me, will you? It's my first video on this type of content. Please click the like button below. Would really appreciate it. Thank you.